Hi friends, welcome to our channel and thank you for dropping on this video. Nowadays everyone knows grammar but they don't know proper English and they don't know how to speak fluent in English. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the golden rules or methods to learn and speak fluent English. The three golden rules and methods are listening, reading and speaking of English. So many people nowadays follow these golden rules or methods. By using these golden rules or methods, they learned English very well and they speak fluent English. So you people should do listening, reading and speaking practice to become perfect and fluent in English. First one is listening practice. You just listen English conversations. Repeat that conversations and listen them repeatedly. Automatically you will get habit of that conversations. And the second one is reading practice. You just read the newspapers, magazines, books, dictionaries, or you can listen and read the sentences we are providing in our YouTube videos. You just read them, repeat those sentences and you will become habituate to those sentences and it will help you to speak perfect and fluent English. And the third one is English speaking practice. Try to speak more in English. You just daily practice speaking in English with others, or you just stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself and improve your English speaking. And you can also correct or improve your facial expressions as well. Practice English speaking as much as you can to become perfect and fluent in English. So that's why many people says practice can make anyone perfect. The more you listen, read and speak in English, in few months you will become fluent in English. You will be able to speak or talk in English with other people. I want to give an example of listening and speaking. The newborn baby, girl or boy, they come into this world. After 1 year they may able to understand their parents' expressions and words. The newborn babies don't know a single letter or a word of their mother tongue. In few years, by listening to their parents and others, they learn their mother tongue. And small babies, they slowly start to speak in their mother tongue by listening to their parents. And if parents speaks in English with their babies, they will learn that English language as well by listening from their parents. That way we can also learn and speak fluent English by just listening, reading and speaking practice. So that's it guys. Listen, read and speak those English conversations and open up and try to speak English. Try to do daily English listening, reading and speaking practice. In few months you will become fluent in English. Thank you. So guys, please like and share this video, subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more videos.